Yes, boss. I'll be there in 5. Okay, make it 10. Hey, fellas! I was looking for the restroom. Maybe you can help me. Whoa! Wow, you guys are quick with the trigger. That almost hit.
Stop goofing around.
Hey, you give me this great toy and I'm not supposed to play with it?
Well, now you're in trouble. The time police are here.
Hi.
You can run.
Yep.
Are you planning on waiting at the old city?
How about next time you do the heist and I'll make the snarky comment?
Did I miss something? You okay?
Yeah, just made a quick stop at the gas station. Oh, come on! All right, Tin Man, let's do this. Okay, now that's a really good point. Look, I'm really sorry about your friends back there, but they had it coming, you know? I don't think I was dealing with top brass here. Check this out, not even a scratch. I've got to admit, I think this is the cleanest mission I've ever done. In and out so fast, hard to believe.
Oh,